Hi guys, today in this video we will talk about how to delete a dream companion account. Okay, so all official steps you can see on your screen. So first of all, you need to log in into your account, and once you logged in, you need to scroll down and you need to find like Anna, or you can say like your profile name, and you can see there is a gear setting gear icon. You need to tap on this option and you need to click on your profile settings. Okay, and in your case your profile name is something different. My name is like Anna, and you can see you need to click on profile setting, and once you click on profile setting, it will redirect on a new window like this one. And in the bottom side you need to scroll down this window. At the bottom side you will see there is an option like delete account. You need to tap on delete account option and delete permanently, keep account. There is a two option, like if you want to delete your account, you can't create your account, you are not able to use your account. So I want to delete my account permanently, so you need to select this option, and that's it. By using this method you can easily delete your account, and if this will not work for you, then you need to you need to try again and again, and it will delete your account. In my case, you can select my account is deleted and my account is logged out. You can see there is an option like login and login. Now I'm not able to log in my account. My account is already deleted. Okay, so this is the method, and that's it. So if you're facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.